Okay, one Mazda MX5 NC, also known as a Mk3, dashboard stripped out, air conditioning, heating, etc. Steering column all now removed, brake pipes, fuel lines, clutch pipe and front wiring harness all now stripped. Subframes are now sat on axle stands at the front. You can see the ECU hanging out there, still on its harness. We'll catch that one later. Rear subframe also on axle stands. We've undone the bolts, and just 6 at the back, 6 at the front. Let's see if this thing will lift off. We are using a 2-poster lift here. You can also use an engine crane. We'll press this button and let's see what happens. Seems to be parting okay. Cable's getting caught a bit maybe. No, we're okay. At the back, handbrake cables seem to be clear. That's revealing the rear subframe suspension with the diff still mounted, and the prop shaft and the exhaust. Gearbox still connected to the engine, mounted on this front subframe with the front suspension. And that'll do me. All we've got to do now is bolt on the MEV Exocet chassis and make this thing about, what, 300 kilos lighter? It's going to be a blast with that 2-litre engine.